there is no change in the transportation cost or transportation cost remains unchanged is one of the assumptions while we come to law of supply. When we try to assume that the transportation cost is constant, we try to assume that the infrastructural facilities remain constant. Because many a times the products or goods or commodities which are manufactured has to be supplied at a different place. So if there is a change in the transportation cost, eventually affects the profit of the producer. If the profit of the producer get affected, automatically what happens? There is a change in the production of the commodity and automatically it leads to changes in the supply of the commodity. I'll explain how the transportation cost affects the supply even at constant price. Earlier, my city did not have a railway connection. So what used to happen? Everything which I produce at my place has to be transported through roadways, which was little costlier. Now, for last 1 month, the rail connections has started and there is a transport of goods from my city to rest part of the area, which substantially reduces my cost of transport. So earlier, if I used to get around 5 rupees per kg as a transport cost, now it goes down to 1 rupee per kg. Naturally, for me as a producer, it's 4 rupees profit. So as the profit has increased, with that extra profit, I try to produce more and in turn try to supply more. So at the same profit, as there is a change in the cost of transport, my supply gets affected. So to study the relationship between price and the quantity supplied, we need to assume that there is no change in the transportation cost